fucking door.
Who you talking to, fool? You talking to my boy, the twin?
Shut the
Boy,
fuck up.
because you're pointing the gun at me right
Shut
now.
the fuck up.
You shut the fuck up. What the fuck are you gonna do to me with the water gun, fool?
Bitch, it's not a fucking water gun. You wanna fucking test me, fool? You wanna test me?
Yes, I'm gonna test you. Throw some water at me, fool, so I can wake up and be sober, fool. Bitch, you fucking just hit me with your fucking fist, holding the trigger. Hit me again. Yeah, nigga. You fucking got a big head. Hit me again if you want to, nigga. Give me a fucking super hit and shit, nigga. That shit didn't hurt me, nigga.
Holy trigger, see me again.